Second reading is taken from the first letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians, chapter 2, verses 6 to 10. Brothers and sisters, we speak a wisdom to those who are mature, not a wisdom of this age, nor of the rulers of this age, or passing away. Rather, we speak God's wisdom, mysterious, hidden, which God predetermined before the ages for our glory, and which none of the rulers of this age knew. For if they had known it, they would not have crucified the Lord of glory. But as it is written, what eye has not seen, and ear has not heard, and what has not entered the human heart, what God has prepared for those who love Him. This God has revealed to us through the Spirit, for the Spirit scrutinizes everything, even the depths of God. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Please like and subscribe.